Hi, this is Michael. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trend Analysis for Wednesday, February 27th, 2013. It's now 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that the purpose of this daily review is to show you how I do my analysis, not to give you trading advice. The U.S. equity markets were all green again today. Here's the price chart for the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where the markets are going. Today we had further recovery, and the S&P is almost back up to Monday's high, just before the big sell-off. The S&P remains bullish. Resistance is still at 1528 as seen by the light pink oval, and support remains at 1468 as seen by the light green oval. Here is the US dollar index futures price chart. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar forex pairs will move. The US dollar index remains bullish but had a slight pullback today. 83.65 is the next major resistance point as seen by the light pink oval. Support remains at 81 as seen by the light green oval. Once a day after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I do a review of all 28 Forex pair price charts, and this takes much less than 30 minutes per day. Here are Wednesday's results. In the table on the left, we'll make a notation when a pair has a green ADX. If the ADX is red, there isn't a trend, so we'll just put a dash. If the trend is bullish, this means the price is increasing, and we put a green up arrow. If the trend is bearish, it means the price is decreasing, and we put a red down arrow. We consolidate the information from the ADX table and note the strength of each currency in the table in the upper right. The strength can range from 0 to +7 for bullish, or from 0 to -7 for bearish. And in the lower right-hand corner, we'll list the Forex pairs that may be setting up for a trade. The whole purpose of this analysis is to choose the Forex pairs that have the highest probability of making a successful trade. So we'll match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies to make the best pairs to trade. Today we have 2 weak currencies and 1 strong currency. This gives us the pound US dollar and the US dollar CAD as the potential currencies to trade. For open trades, the Aussie US dollar trade remains open and we're short for micros. The stop loss has been moved to 1.0350. Here's the price chart for the Aussie US dollar. For new orders, as mentioned in yesterday's analysis, if the pound US dollar consolidated one more day, I would put on a trade. Well, we placed an order to sell 4 micros at 1.5060 with a stop at 1.5330. This trade is not yet open. Here's the price chart for the pound US dollar showing the order entry details. Here's the price chart for the US dollar CAD. This is the other qualifying pair. Thank you for watching my daily Forex Trend Review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you'd like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page.